This is a rail, and the initial position of the rod was here, no? Initially the rod was exactly at the diameter. Read the question, meanwhile I'll draw the diagram. So this was the initial position of the rod. Finally, somewhere at x equal to r by 2. R by 2 I should take like this. B bar everywhere into the plane. So let this be x, let this be y. And this is the radius r. So a wire ring of radius, not for a rod. The ring is having a radius. The ring is a wire ring of radius are fixed in horizontal plane. The wire of the ring has resistance of lambda ohm per meter. So we'll do one thing. We'll break up this everything into two parts. This is A, B, C, and this is D. Arc ADB will have one resistance. Arc ACB will have resistance. Will I agree this? And this is a moving rod. It is given. Find the current through the rod as it traveled a distance x2. Constant acceleration. It is moved with a constant acceleration, so therefore it will have velocity. So what is this entire circuit? You should directly come for this. The resistance of RADB. Moving rod will behave like a cell magnetic field into the plane B bar. So this end will be positive. So what is this resistance? ACD. Now calculate this. What is y? Y equal to x by 2, no? Y equal to x by 2. So we'll get the theta triangle x by 2. These are r by 2. Sorry, this is r by 2. Y is equal to r by 2. Is asking a condition like this. Find the current through the rod at an instant it has traveled to a distance x equal to r by 2. This only. I think that x, this x will get confused. So we'll do one thing. I'll make it smaller. Cos theta x by r by 2 by r. Theta will be 60 degrees. Now you know length of the rod. In terms of r, you can bring it. So what is the EMF induced? E is equal to BV into AB. Calculate the length of the rod at this instant. Then calculate EMF induced. And you can calculate the current in the circuit here. Can you work out this? It's very simple. Different types of rails. The rail parabolic, now here circular rail, triangular rail already we have seen. So different conditions will come. So you should manage with this one. I'll upload in the end. I don't have answer. I have to cross verify it. So and what is V further? A into T, acceleration as a function of time, velocity of the rod. So do calculation. I just gave the idea, share the idea. So we'll take the next one.